Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for July 2020. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the July 2022 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the July 2022 release. We have 5 new features in this release. The first new feature is add configurable options to the comment field in the product summary. With this new feature, you can specify if the comment field of a product request is optional, required, or hidden. Our second new feature is add support for email notifications using the Service Automation Cloud or local agent. This feature allows you to send custom emails in your PowerShell script that run on the Service Automation infrastructure. Right now, it is supported with new delegated form tasks. The next new feature is automatically delegated form task retry when the local agent is back online. In the past, whenever your local agent was offline, the new delegated form tasks could not be executed and you had to manually retry the task. With this new feature, you no longer have to manually retry the task, but the task will be automatically retried as soon as the agent is back online. We have also added the following product comment fields to Elastic Reporting: product request comment, the approval comment, and the deny comment. Our fifth and final new feature is the addition of the form data to Elastic Reporting when requesting a product that uses dynamic form. The form data was already available for delegated form submissions, but now it's also available for product requests. Let's demonstrate these new features. For this demo, we have prepared a new self-service product called Release Demo 2022-07. This is a simple product with only the basic information configured, such as the product name, product description, and also a default category. If we scroll down a little, we can see the new configuration option for the request comment field. The default option is optional, which is the same behavior as it was before. But now you can also choose to make the field required or even hide the request comment field as a whole. Let's leave the field at optional right now and switch to the front end to request this product and see the results. As you can see, the request comment field is visible, but you can also directly request the product without entering any value. So this is the same behavior as before. The optional configuration setting. Let's close the window and change the configuration to let the request field be required. The configuration has now been changed to required, so let's reopen the product. As you can see, the comment field is required and we cannot request the product because there is no value entered. As soon as you enter a value, the request button is enabled and the product can be requested. Let's close the window once more and change the configuration to be hidden. So now when we open the product, once again you will see that there is no product request comment field anymore, but you will see a message stating that you are about to request this product, and you can directly click this button if you want to request the product. Let's switch back to the admin panel to demonstrate our next new feature. For this feature, we have prepared a new delegated form called Release Demo 2022-07. For demonstrating purposes, this form contains a default dropdown and a default dual list without any custom data sources configured. The delegated form task will receive the entered values for the dropdown and for the dual list. It will also create an email object and let HelloID send these emails using the following function. The email object contains all the required and applicable properties such as the from address, the to address, the mail subject, and the mail body. It also supports CC and BCC. Full documentation will be available on HelloID docs after the release. In order for HelloID to send this email, we will use the Write Information function with the tag email. and we will also send the email object to this function. We will now switch to the Service Desk page to submit this form and see the final results. We open the prepared delegated form and enter the following values. Option number 3 in the dropdown, we will choose Apple and Orange for the dual list. Then we click on the Next button to see the summary page where we can review our selected values, and we can click on Submit to submit this form. And if everything works out, we will receive an email with the selected values. Let's check our email. And here it is. Here you can see our email with a sample message, the option selected in the dropdown, and Apple and Orange were entered in the dual list. So this is the feature where you can use a PowerShell script that will let HelloID send an email for you. Let's switch back to the admin panel once more to the delegated form for our demonstration of the final new feature in this release. We have changed the configuration of the task so it doesn't run on the cloud agent anymore, but on the local agent instead, so we can show our next new feature. Let's quickly switch back to the Service Desk page, and we will submit this form once more just to confirm that the email feature also works on the local agent and that our local agent is running. So we will open the form again. Let's choose option 1 and select Pair, and quickly submit this form. The new submission is now done. Let's switch back to the admin panel, and we will open the delegated form activities. You can see that our recent submission was successful. I see a pop-up in my second screen about a new email, meaning the email functionality is also working for the local agent, and that the local agent is up and running. So the task was successful, it's submitted, and the email has been received. Now the Service Automation local agent will be shut down to demonstrate our final new feature. The agent is now not running anymore, so if the form is submitted once more, let's select option 2 and Orange. Navigate to the next page and click once again on the Submit button. The submission has been successful, but the task itself is not running because the agent is not online. So when the Delegated Form Activities page is refreshed, you can see that the task has a pending status, which means that it's waiting for the agent to come back online. In the pending status, you can still open the details and see the starting activity and submission time, and you can also see the form data that was entered. And if you want, you can also cancel the pending. So when you cancel this, it won't be automatically retried once the agent is back online. So there's also an option you can choose to cancel it, or you can wait for the agent to come back online. Let's start the Service Automation local agent back up again. The agent is now up and running, and when we refresh this screen, you can see that the task is now successful. The agent was back online, thereby triggering the pending task to be executed. This means the email paired to this task will also be received. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.